YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how do I put on my clip-ons. I'm so excited. I'm back to clip-ons, you guys. It's not that I hate wigs or none of that. It's just I get too hot easily, and when I wear wigs it feels like I have like literally a casket. Is that what you call it? Like un casco? No, casket, it's where you like when you die. You know what I'm talking about? Un casco? You guys know what I'm talking about. And I get more hot. So wigs I can only do like when I'm doing videos because I just sit here and I do that. But I realized the clip-ons are my way. And I'm going to show you guys how I put them on. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need, of course, you're going to need your fly iron and your curling iron. This one right here, I got it from Sephora. I just wanted to try it because I have one, like the old one, and I was like, it's time for a new one. But this dry bar one is amazing. It strengthens my hair. My hair is really curly. And then because I like that brand, I went to Nordstrom Rack and then I saw the curling iron. So I was like, it was 30% off. And I was like, why not? So this one right here, I love. You're going to need a comb and a little thing to separate the hair to divide. It's crunchy. And some oil for the hair so it don't look too dry. And then, of course, your clip-ons. They are already curled. You could curl your hair together when you apply it. But for me, it's easier to do it separately because I learned this yesterday. So I'm not a pro. Like, I can't grab the whole hair and do it together. I tried and I burned my ear. I don't know if you can see it right here. You guys see my ear? I burned my ear and that hurt so much. And I was like, no. I'm going to take them off, curl my hair separately, and then curl this one. So this one's already curled and I'm just going to... So I'm going to try to mimic that now with the curling iron, the way that I curl the clip-ons. And I'm going to grab one of the clip-ons and show you guys how I do it. But I believe that, like, all of you guys know this. I feel like I'm the only one in the world that I didn't know how to curl hair. And I learned literally last week. Okay, so this is how my hair looks like right now. It's pretty long, you guys. Like, I can't believe my hair grew this much. I am so shocked. I went natural, so now my hair is thicker. One little drop of water is like, you know, but I don't mind it because it gives you more volume, and I love a volume like looking blowout situation, so that's why I love. I am gonna do the strainer and I'm gonna pass it through here to just kind of even this out. Show you guys how I curl one piece because I can't do curling sitting down. Like I said, I'm not a pro yet. So I have to be standing up in the bathroom, but I'm going to show you guys how I do one, okay? So what I do first, I divide the hair in 4 because it just makes it easier for me. I remember before when I tried to curl my hair, I would grab the bottom and start from the bottom to the top, and I feel like it would take forever. And now that a few days ago when I learned this, I divided my head in 4, and it was so easy. And I'm going to go ahead and divide the back. Boom, boom. I'm going to grab this one. And this is the part that I'm going to go ahead and do in camera. Hopefully I can. And I don't burn myself like crazy. You know? Do I need another like clip on? Hold on. Let me get another clip. So I grab another clip. And this is just for me to start to divide the areas that I'm going to curl so it doesn't get mixed together. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. So literally what I'm going to do, I just grab this. And because I have curly hair and this starts getting like during the day, I sweat a little, whatever, I'm walking, I start sweating, dripping. That's just Having syndrome. My hair gets already like curly, but this is great. The only reason why I don't strain this because when I put the clip in, it's stuck in there. You know, sometimes like when you have really straight hair, you have to tease it so the clip-ons don't slip down. So for me, that's like an advantage because it's now like a little curly, so the clip-ons won't go nowhere. But yeah, you have to tease it. If you have hair that is too straight, the clip-on slip down. This is the height. Oh shit, I want to burn my finger 500 times. Okay, 440, highest. I know what I do. I grab it. This is so scary doing it here. I'm scared. Wait a minute. I'm literally going to show you guys like a few, and then after that, I'm going to the bathroom because I'm scared. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to do it right here. Okay, so I'm going to count to 10. Yes. Okay. I'm sweating. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and let go. And always point it down, that's the thing, and let the thing go. And then you have a curl. You see the curls from the bottom, whack to like, all right, but the bottom ones don't matter that much because I'm gonna hide them. I find a way to hide them, and I'm gonna show you guys when I put the clip-ons on, but I'll be right back when I'm come curled. And we are back. This is how it looks like. Hopefully it looks good in the back. I'm not sure. And that's it. When I meant like for the bottom, I didn't care too much because that's gonna be hidden with the clip-ons because the way I'm gonna layer it, I'm gonna hide it. The most important part is this. This swoop, make sure you do it separate from your face. This is really hard for me to get before. I don't know why. It took me a lot to get this little swoop out. Before I used to curl it in, so I used to close my face and then, so you need to be able to do this and it kind of lifts, you know? That's what we want, so curl it out. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I do it with my fingers because I'm already used to it. You could grab a comb, you know, something like this to part it. So I'm gonna grab this much right here, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and pin this up, and we're gonna start clipping. We're gonna start with is with the longest one, the longest piece. This is a 3, and this is what's gonna hide this. But the way that I do it, because a lot of people, when you put it like this, okay, when you apply it like this, boom, boom, you know, you do this, and then you're able to see the short hairs, and I don't like that. So the way that I do this one, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. I flip it, okay? And I grab it from the bottom. So when I go like this, you can see the little hairs, you know? So we're lifting. You can still see it a little, but not as much as before. You can see that, you see? That's the only piece that I'm gonna do like that. All the other pieces are gonna lay normal. So then we're just gonna start layering, and I already know how to do it. So I'm parting it with my fingers. This one here goes the second piece. Turning around. This might not be like perfect, but it's okay with me. So always go in the corner, like right next to my ear. And I'm gonna add an extra one here in the corner, so we are able to do the same thing. This one right here, just right here in the corner. See? And then you keep doing the same thing, layering and layering and layering into how you like it. I feel like after you start doing it for a while, you will understand like your head and like where you want to place the clip-ons, but that's what you do. Keep layering it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up, speed this up a little so you guys, you know. Right now, we're starting to get the little effect, you see, and I haven't even worked from here up. I still need more clip-ons to add the fullness because I like the fullness. Some people might like it flat. I like the fullness. Give me Victoria's Secret, all that, okay? So we're gonna keep on going. Able to see, look at that. Oh my goodness. guys. I love it so much. Okay, so now we still have 2 more to put in, and these are the little ones. I could literally go without it, or I could add it, but I am extra sometimes, so I like adding it. These are the 2s, so these ones are gonna go literally right here, and then the little ones are gonna go just like right there to add a little extra. So here you go. Have it. See a little more boom. And then the little one, this one is just for the top. It's gonna be like right here. Right. You cover it. See that? You don't even know I am set with clip-ons underneath here. Like, what's good? What's good? And then I'm gonna curl this together on front. So let's do this side. So now you're able to see some of them there, but I really don't care. I could fix it, but you guys get the whole drill. You know what I mean? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil just so the hair is kind of like toned down. You could make it more like tease it more, add some hairspray in between, but I'm not doing that because my hair is already curly, and it's like when I get out of my house and I start doing stuff, I start sweating, so my hair starts getting boop, 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 bigger, bigger. So yeah, but if you have straight hair, do volume so it looks boom. You know what I mean? So then I mix it together. Brush it together. Just, I can't wait to get my other clip-ons are gonna be longer. Inches, baby, inches. Okay, this one is bothering my ear. Hold on. All right. So then I'm gonna grab my worst enemy, this thing. Ugh. And I'm gonna go ahead and curl my top parts. This ones I could do together because it's in the front and I'm not gonna burn myself. And it's so the hair goes to the same direction because, you know, the clip-ons kind of went the other way. So, see that? More like nice. Talk to me nice. And let go of that. And literally, you guys, this is it. I love my hair like this. You know how much I will give. So like if my hair didn't get damaged, or like I could do this every other day, but it's a lot of work. So I'm just gonna do it on special occasions and when I have to go somewhere. You know, this holidays I'm probably gonna be damaging my hair a lot because I'm gonna be wearing this. But other than that, it's just a little bun. You guys know my little bun. Down bun, look like alfalfa. Up bun, whatever, and wigs when I want to change it up on videos. But when I go on the streets, this will be it. If my hair is done. But yes, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys like this video. I know I'm not a hair professional and all that stuff, but this is the way that I do my hair. And when I posted the video on Instagram doing a little skincare, my hair was kind of like this, and I got a lot of DMs asking me, can you do a video showing how you put your clip on? So that's what we did. Hope you guys like it. All right, see you guys later, alligator. Bye.